Welcome to this Easy Tech Fixit channel, and this is just a quick update to remind everybody that last week was Patch Tuesday for Windows. These are security updates that are actually sent out on the second Tuesday of each month. So last Patch Tuesday was the third biggest Patch Tuesday for security updates that Microsoft issued. And the reason I am posting this almost a week after they were released is to remind everybody that it's important to go and check out the Windows updates to make sure that you have the latest updates for security from last week. So by going to Update and Security in your Windows operating system and making sure that you look at what is available. It's available for Windows 8.1, Windows 10, all supported versions. And of course, for Enterprise, if you're on the extended support, you are getting that for Windows 7. It's very important to do so because there's so many security holes that are fixed in there, including some 17 critical flaws. These means that they are really important to fix. They are bad. And apparently there are two of them that are actually already exploited by hackers. So that also gives you an idea that this needs to be fixed as soon as possible. So it's funny because the three last updates, the one for June, the one for July, and the one for August, are also the three biggest security patches Tuesdays of Microsoft ever. And it's just incredible the amount of security flaws that have been discovered lately. And kind of shows you that if you're on Windows 7, unsupported Windows 7 that has not been updated since January, you now have hundreds and hundreds of security flaws in your Windows operating system. And you might think, you're a smart ass because you got the top-notch antivirus and you're updating the browser and that you're sure that you're okay on the internet. No antivirus is going to protect you with so much security flaws. No, nothing is going to protect you at all. And you might be actually hacked without even noticing it. And that is why you should not use Windows 7 anymore. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.